let's talk about these amazing results. Okay, I am fresh out of the shower. I wanted to spare you the before. I'm doing another budget wash day today with this other mousse that I got. So what I did is this is really the only budget shampoo that I have that's like $5. So I went ahead and used this one again because I know it works. And then I went in with just a tiny bit of the Maui Hydration Conditioner. Now I don't like the shampoo, but I do like the conditioner. So a little bit of this and the shampoo, you know, raked it through my hair like I usually do. Did the crown and, you know, up here. Getting all technical, aren't I? But just, you know, the leftovers went onto the crown of my hair. And then I squeezed it, you know, I'm still dripping a little bit, but I squeezed most of it out because, you know, I'll know that I do not like that drippy feeling. So instead of going in with this one today, I thought we would go in with another budget gel, and it's the Aussie, what is it? Instant Freeze Gel. So we're going to do this today, and then the new mousse from Target that I got is this one. This is the Mousse Def Texture Foam. Now, I'm usually not a fan of foams, but I want to see, you know, it says mousse on there too, so I want to see how this performs in my hair today. All right, so we're going to combine this one and then this one because I do gel before mousse, and in my last video I said I do that because I like to lock in whatever curl pattern or clump I have from the shower and then add in the volumizing and additional hold after I microplop. So that's what I'm going to do today. Okay, and we're going to see, this one I think was $11, you know, versus the Oribe one that I really like, which is like in the $40 range. So yes, I know it's pricey. I know it's pricey. But trying to find budget solutions for myself and for you guys as well. So let's go ahead and go in with the Instant Freeze Gel. Okay, I'm gonna do that much to start with. Emulsify it and glaze it. This one has a hold of a level 3 out of 4. It says maximum hold though. We'll see. It definitely doesn't feel as thick and sticky. It's a little sticky, but it doesn't feel as violent as this one. Not violent, but it doesn't feel like it has as much of the sticky, thick properties that this one does. So let me go ahead and scrunch. And like I said, I used the gel first to kind of lock in that pattern that I got from coming out of the shower. I'm wondering if I should go in with a little bit more. Let's do just a tiny bit more. Okay, tiny bit more. Okay, that feels pretty good. Not too bad in my hair. Not too sticky. Actually feels pretty good. Okay, now let's go in with this new one. This Doux, D-O-U-X. Doux. Is it French? Oh, I need something, my hands are sticky now. Oh, you know what? I forgot to microplop. Let's do that. Microplop. Okay, that side's done. And then we will go in with the Doux. Is that how you spell two in French? D-O-U-X? I can't remember. No, that's not how you spell it. So maybe it's ducks. Maybe it's not French at all. Maybe I'm trying to make it French, and it's not. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's coming out like a foam, like I expect it would. There we go. Let's see how this feels. Watery. Feels watery. Feels like it's evaporating a lot. But we'll see. See what this does. Yeah, this feels very... Look, hey. I am clumsy. Ooh, scrunchy. You hear that? We are scrunchy. Wow. Okay, I'm not sure how to describe this other than like it feels like it's activating even more so out of my hands and in my hair. Because I didn't have this sound with the gel or with microplopping. Interesting. All right, let's go in the back with it. Maybe I just used too much, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna use that much in the back. Is it sticky? A little bit. Yeah, it's sticky, but I feel like it's got a lot of hold to it. Ooh, this might be interesting. Huh. I feel like we might be getting some definition and some structure and hold with this one. Oh, guys, this might be a really good one. I'm having hopes for this one. I feel like it's getting definition and hold. Ooh, this is really interesting. Okay, we're gonna let it chill out for about a half hour. Let me see if we can do some finger stuff with this one. Do some finger stuff. Keep going. All right, just some twirling of the bangs just to see what happens. So maybe I won't have to wear a headband or a barrette or some kind of clip. Yeah, this is very interesting. Okay, I am curious about the results of this one. All right, I will see you back, I guess during diffusing. Diffused for as long as I want to. I don't like to diffuse until it's completely dry. I am already seeing some better results from this guy and this guy than this one. And what was the other thing I used? Oh yeah, that one. That one. Because I am just not a big fan of this line. I keep trying and I keep trying, but I'm just not a fan. But with these two, I have more definition. Now I'm still a little bit crunchy, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. But look, you know, I'm definitely seeing more definition. I'm not all the way dry yet. And we'll see what, you know, what the results look like in another hour or two. But there's definitely a lot more definition in my hair with these products, and definitely softer. It's not really crunchy. There's a little bit of crunch up here, but not much at all. I suspect it's from this guy. Could be a little bit from this guy too, but let me go ahead and finish drying. I'll put in probably a barrette today. Let me go ahead and finish drying, and I'll come back with my final thoughts on this budget wash day and share those with you. Here's the back. A lot more movement. Lot more movement. Lot softer. Lot better than the other budget wash day. So again, let me finish drying, and then I'll come back and I'll share my final thoughts on this one. Okay, my hair is dry. Let's talk about these amazing results from budget wash day. Oh my God. Oh, guys, the definition, the softness, the hold. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I went down the rabbit hole of looking and comparing ingredients in these guys. So I compared ingredients with these two, and then I also compared ingredients between these two, which is what I used today. This, oh my goodness. Okay, so I did make some notes, so I might be looking at my notes here. Let me put on my glasses too, because this is too important to just try and remember what it was that I looked at here. Okay, ingredient wise, I mean, look at this definition, look at that, boing, boing. Okay, so let's talk about these two first. Okay, so the Flash Freeze and the Garnier Fructis Curl Construct. Okay, they have polymers in it. All of these products have polymers, okay? Polymers are good for definition, humidity support. They're film forming polymers, so they're good for hold, and all of them have that. But, okay, let's look at these two. These have polyquats. I'll put the full name down below. I don't know how to pronounce that at all. But these have the polyquats in them. They have the polyquat 4 and the polyquat 55, and they are higher up on the ingredient list than these. These have what's called, it's a polymer, it's called PVP. Okay, so it's a polymer just like the polyquats are, but the PVP is like the star of the show with these, and it is responsible for a lot of hold, the crispiness, the crunchiness, the cast that you get, which might explain why some of you really do like these products here. But my wavy hair doesn't like that. It prefers the polyquats over the PVP. These have the PVP in it. Now, these also have that PVP in it, which is a polymer, but it is further down the ingredients list. And remember, I keep saying that the ingredients and the further down, the higher up, it matters. It matters the order of the ingredients. So these have more of the polyquats, which gives me, and I'm going to look at my notes here, softer hold, touchable results, and better definition. And we definitely see that, right? So, I mean, it's like polymer with these, with a little bit of amino acids, which is part of my wave formula, which I'll link below. So these are giving me better results versus these. The PVP is like the star of the show. It's like defining the entire formula. So even though it's a polymer, it's going to give you, it's dominant, and it's going to give you that crunchy, casty stickiness, because PVP also doesn't like humidity. It tends to get sticky, and that's what I was feeling with these as well. I felt sticky. I felt like my hair was more stringy with these products. And, you know, I kept saying, I just don't like this line. It's just, I kept trying it. You guys would say, Nikki, just dilute it. Or dilute it with your Oribe gloss, which that seemed to help. But on its own, I don't like it. I really don't. And I didn't like this one either. But I think for a budget wash day, this is anywhere from $10 to $14. So it's definitely more expensive than this one. But I think for a budget wash day, where I used these two, shampoo, conditioner, plus this gel and this mousse, I had fantastic results. Like, this is a really good Oribe dupe, guys. I would totally do this again. I mean, look at this. I know, I'm sounding all excited, right? I'm like getting all nerdy on the science and stuff, but oh my God, the results are just fantastic. Okay, I want to know what you guys think as well. And have you tried these two products together? Have you just tried this one? I have another bottle of this, and I had bought it before I started down this whole YouTube video making stuff. So I have more of this actually. And I was wondering when I was doing my declutter video, why do I have more of this? Did I really like it at one point? Yes! Yes, I did. So this one is definitely, even though it's only like a 3 out of 4 coconuts or whatever that is, as far as hold, God, it's such a better gel than this one. I think I've tried about 3 products now on this line. Never again. I'm not trying these anymore. I don't like them. I think this one's going to go back. I think this one I've used enough of it that I'm kind of stuck with it. You want it? But yeah, these are excellent budget keepers. So, wow, I'm amazed at these results. I really am. Just look at this little guy. I mean, this is what I get with my Oribe products. So can you actually get budget products? Yes, you can. You just have to look for the right ingredients and the right order of ingredients. And my wavy hair prefers those polyquats. It likes the number 4 and it likes the number 55, obviously. All right. I know this was another budget wash day video, but you know, I kept trying to find some equal results to my Oribe products, and I wasn't getting there. But now I think I have it. So let me just show you all 4 of these products again. So this is what we used. And this is what I'm really happy with. Much, much better than the other budget wash day. So I highly recommend these 4 products if you're looking to go budget wash day. And I will put down the prices below so that you can see how much you're saving over like my Oribe products, which I still love, love, love those. But this is a really, really, really good amount of, or a good dupe for those Oribe products. So highly recommend, and I will link them below if you are interested. All right, thanks for joining me. I am going to do another video where I'm gonna cut my own hair because, as you can see, I have some wispy ends from growing out that pixie since 2024. They're kind of stringy, and yeah, I think what would happen is if I just take off just a little bit, I think we're gonna see some bounce up, and I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, I'm gonna take off just a little bit on the ends. I'm gonna do a DIY haircut. I may also, I don't know, I'm reading mixed reviews about this, but I may also do the Wayne Tuggle where he does the over directional and then the 45-degree angle to give a little bit of layers. That might help a little bit too. So we'll see, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut my hair this evening and just give myself a trim. But I will show you this, and we'll see what the results look like. Okay, all right. Thanks again for liking and subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Hasta luego, my friends.